In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the QuickBooks login loop error. If QuickBooks keeps sending you back to the sign-in page or won't let you fully log in, don't worry. This usually happens because of stored browser data, like outdated cookies or cached files, or sometimes because a browser extension is interfering with the login process. The good news is that this is often a quick fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open a private or incognito window in your browser. This is helpful because it starts a fresh browsing session without using the cookies and cache from your normal window. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. If you're using Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Once that private window opens, stay in that window for the next steps. Now open the QuickBooks online portal. Go to the regular QuickBooks sign-in page and let it load completely. Using the private window helps test whether the problem is related to saved browser data from your normal session. Next, look at the URL bar at the top of the browser. On the left side, you should see the View Site Information icon. Click on that icon to open the browser's site settings for QuickBooks. From that menu, click on Cookies and Site Data. Then choose Manage On-Device Site Data. This section shows the stored website data currently saved by your browser for that site. To remove the data that may be causing the login loop, click the trash icon to clear the browser cache and stored cookies for QuickBooks. After that, click Done to confirm and close the window. Once that's finished, try logging into your account again. In many cases, clearing that site data solves the issue right away because it removes any corrupted or outdated login information that may be stuck in the browser. If you're still having the same problem, the next thing to try is turning off browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or strict security extensions. These can sometimes block authentication scripts that QuickBooks needs in order to complete the sign-in process properly. Disable them temporarily, then try logging in again. That's the process. Using a private window, clearing QuickBooks site data, and disabling conflicting extensions will usually resolve the login loop error. Thanks for watching.